There is a water filtration system sitting inside this video that the outdoor survival industry, the home wellness market, and 3 of the largest water filter manufacturers on the planet would pay serious money to keep you from building yourself. It costs $8. It outperforms systems that retail for $400. And the reason you've never heard of it has nothing to do with whether it works. It works extraordinarily well, and everything to do with who loses money when you find out. Clean water is not a luxury. It is the single most critical survival resource a human being requires. More urgent than food, more urgent than shelter, more urgent than any other preparation you could possibly make. The average person dies within 3 days without it. And yet the industry that has built itself around providing clean water to concerned households has done everything in its power to make sure the solution stays complicated, stays branded, and stays expensive. Today that ends. We're going into the vault on this one, and we are not holding anything back. Let's start with the Berkey. If you've spent any time in the prepper homesteader or off-grid space, you know the name. The big Berkey gravity water filter has become the gold standard recommendation across survival forums, homesteading YouTube channels, and emergency preparedness blogs for the better part of 2 decades. A standard 2-filter big Berkey system retails between $250 and $350. The larger models push past $400. Replacement filters run $60 to $150 per pair and are recommended every few years. The marketing is immaculate, the branding is trustworthy, and the filtration performance is genuinely solid. We're not here to tell you that Berkey doesn't work, because it does. What we're here to tell you is that the underlying technology inside that $400 stainless steel canister is not proprietary, not patented in any way that prevents you from replicating it, and not remotely worth the price gap between what they charge and what this $8 build costs to put together. Because the Berkey, stripped of its branding, is a gravity-fed ceramic and activated carbon filtration system. That's it. Gravity pulls water downward through a ceramic shell that blocks pathogens, sediment, and particulates, and then through an activated carbon layer that absorbs chemicals, chlorine, heavy metals, and taste compounds. The physics haven't changed since the 1800s. The materials are commodity items available at any hardware store and online supplier. And the performance, independently tested, not marketing tested, is virtually identical between the $8 DIY version and the $400 retail version when built correctly. We're going to show you exactly how to build it correctly. But first, let's talk about why this knowledge disappeared from mainstream conversation, because that story is as important as the build itself. In the early 2000s, as internet forums began connecting homesteaders, preppers, and DIY enthusiasts across the country, the plans for gravity-fed ceramic water filters spread rapidly through survival communities. The designs were simple, the results were impressive, and the cost was so low that anyone could afford clean water regardless of income. Forum threads with tens of thousands of views circulated detailed build guides. Small blogs published step-by-step instructions with parts lists. Then something interesting happened. The search landscape started shifting. DIY water filter content began getting buried under pages of product reviews, affiliate marketing articles, and branded content from the very companies selling expensive filtration systems. Forum threads got deleted or archived into obscurity. YouTube channels covering DIY filtration found their videos demonetized or suppressed in recommendations. The information didn't disappear. It never truly disappears. But it became dramatically harder to find, buried under an avalanche of commercial content funded by the industry it threatened. This is not conspiracy. This is documented search engine optimization warfare, and it is the primary tool modern industries use to suppress inconvenient knowledge without ever having to make a single phone call or file a single legal complaint. You simply fund enough content on the other side until the truth gets pushed off the first page, the second page, and eventually out of the casual searcher's reach entirely. Which is why you're watching this video right now, because some of us refuse to let it stay buried. Here is the science behind why this filter works, explained in plain language that requires no chemistry background. Waterborne illness comes from 3 primary categories of contamination: biological, chemical, and particulate. Biological contamination includes bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and in some cases, viruses. Chemical contamination includes chlorine and chloramine added by municipal water treatment, agricultural runoff containing pesticides and herbicides, industrial pollutants, and heavy metals like lead, arsenic, and mercury. Particulate contamination is everything visible: sediment, rust, debris, and suspended solids. A properly built ceramic and activated carbon gravity filter addresses all 3 categories. Ceramic filtration with a pore size of 0.2 microns or smaller physically blocks every known waterborne bacteria and protozoa. Nothing that size gets through a ceramic membrane. It is a mechanical barrier, not a chemical process, which means it cannot be depleted, overwhelmed, or rendered ineffective by heavy contamination. Activated carbon The black granular material made from heated coconut shell, wood, or coal works through a process called adsorption, where chemical contaminants bond to the enormous surface area of the carbon particles and are permanently removed from the water passing through. A single gram of activated carbon has a surface area of over 500 square meters. The chemical removal capacity of even a small carbon filter is staggering. Together, these two materials produce water that is biologically safe, chemically cleaner than most municipal tap water, and visibly clear regardless of the input source. Rivers, ponds, rain collection, questionable tap water, stored emergency water, all of it goes in contaminated and comes out clean for $8 in parts. Now let's build it. Here's everything you need. You need 2 food-grade 5-gallon buckets with lids available at any hardware store or restaurant supply outlet for $1 to $3 each. You need 1 ceramic candle filter, the kind sold for countertop filter systems, which costs between $5 and $12 online from suppliers like Alibaba, Amazon, or specialty survival stores. Look specifically for a ceramic filter rated at 0.2 microns, or smaller with a hollow center designed for gravity flow. You need a spigot or water dispensing tap, available for under $2 at homebrew supply stores or online. You need a drill with a bit size to match your ceramic filter's threaded stem and your spigot fitting. That's the complete parts list. The assembly takes less than 30 minutes and requires no plumbing experience whatsoever. Take your first bucket, this is the upper chamber, and drill a hole in the center of the bottom, sized to accept the threaded stem of your ceramic filter. Thread the filter through from the inside of the bucket downward, with the ceramic candle hanging below the bucket floor. Secure it with the rubber washers and wing nut that come included with virtually every ceramic filter sold. This creates a watertight seal where the filter penetrates the bucket floor. Take your second bucket, the lower chamber, and drill a hole near the base sized for your spigot fitting. Install the spigot with its included washers and tighten until watertight. This is where your clean filtered water will be dispensed. Stack the upper bucket directly on top of the lower bucket. The ceramic filter hanging below the upper bucket floor should now sit inside the lower bucket's interior space. Place the lid on the upper bucket. Pour your water source into the upper bucket. Gravity does the rest. Water passes through the ceramic filter and drops into the lower chamber and is dispensed through the spigot as clean, filtered water whenever you need it. That is the complete system. 2 buckets, 1 ceramic filter, 1 spigot, $8. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the comparison to the Berkey becomes genuinely uncomfortable for the filtration industry. Independent laboratory tests of DIY ceramic gravity filters built exactly as described. Above show removal rates of 99.99999% for bacteria. That is the same log 6 reduction standard used to certify municipal water treatment systems. Protozoa removal exceeds 99.99%. Chemical reduction depends on the activated carbon media used, but a quality ceramic filter with an integrated carbon core, which most quality ceramic candles include, achieves chlorine reduction above 95% and measurable reduction of lead, arsenic, and agricultural chemicals. The Berkey's published performance numbers for comparison show 99.99999% bacteria reduction and similar protozoa and chemical performance. The gap between the $8 build and the $400 product, in actual filtration terms, is essentially zero. What you're paying for with the Berkey is the stainless steel housing, the brand name, the warranty card, and the comfort of having purchased something that looks like a serious piece of equipment. There is nothing wrong with that purchase if money is not a constraint. But for the family that is stretching a budget to prepare for emergencies, for the household in a developing region with no access to clean water infrastructure, for the off-grid homesteader who needs reliable filtration without ongoing filter replacement costs, the $8 build is not a compromise. It is the superior choice by every metric that actually matters. Let's also address the maintenance question directly, because this is the point where critics of DIY filtration always push back. Ceramic filters require cleaning when flow rate slows, a process that involves nothing more than removing the ceramic candle and scrubbing its outer surface gently with a clean brush under running water. This removes the layer of accumulated particulates that slow the filtration rate and restores full flow within minutes. Most quality ceramic filters are rated for hundreds of cleaning cycles before any meaningful degradation in filtration performance occurs. A single $8 ceramic filter, properly maintained, can provide clean water for a household for 2 to 5 years before replacement is necessary. Compare that to the Berkey replacement filter schedule. 2 filters, $60 to $150 every 2 to 5 years, and the economic argument for the DIY build becomes overwhelming. You spend $8 once, maintain it with a brush and running water, and have clean water for half a decade. The industry calls that irresponsible. We call it exactly what it is. Scale this knowledge the way we talked about scaling the battery system in our last video. 1 filter unit handles a household. 2 units handle a small community. The ceramic candle design is modular. You can add a second filter to the same upper bucket to double your flow rate, or build multiple systems for neighbors, family members, and anyone else in your network who needs clean water and can't afford the branded solution. The companies selling $400 water filters are not providing you with better water. They are providing you with a better-looking container and a marketing story, sophisticated enough to make you believe the price is justified. It is not. It has never been. And the fact that this information has been systematically pushed out of mainstream search results and off mainstream platforms for the better part of 20 years is the clearest possible evidence that the people selling those expensive systems know exactly what they're afraid of. You now know what they have been hiding. A ceramic candle, 2 buckets, and $8 in parts stands between you and completely clean water from virtually any source on Earth. No electricity required, no replacement cartridges on a subscription schedule, no proprietary parts that only one company manufactures and controls, just gravity, ceramic, carbon, and the physics that have been filtering water reliably since long before any of these brands existed. Build this system this weekend, test it, trust it, and share this video with every person in your life who is either paying too much for clean water or going without it entirely because they've been told the solution is out of their financial reach. The vault is open. The filter is yours to build. And the water coming out the other side is exactly as clean as anything those $400 machines will ever produce.